Today, now listen, I want to talk to you about interest. Thank you. And for interest, does anybody know what interest actually is? What do you think it is?
Interest is the rate you have to pay back if you buy something.
Exactly. Wow. Very, very good. Listen to what he's saying. All right, please listen. All right. Now, there are several different types of interest, but we're talking about when the bank borrows money, and when you put money into an account, the bank is going to pay you what? Interest. So like most people don't pay cash for their house. They go to a bank, the bank loans them money, and then you pay back the bank, plus you pay interest on the money that they loaned you. That's what we're going to show you today. All right, it's very easy, and it's just a formula, all right, that we're going to use. All right, and does anybody happen to know the formula for interest? Do you remember what it is? Do you know? You're awesome, girl. That is exactly right. I equals PRT. So I want you to write that somewhere where you can refer back to it if you need to. So let's go ahead and write that down. So I, what do you think I stands for? Interest. P times R times T. All right? P stands for your principal. And the principal is how much money you're borrowing or how much money you put into the bank. Is everybody with me on that? R stands for the interest rate. All right, R stands for rate, and T probably stands for time. Now, the only thing I want you to remember is T is time, and it's also measured in years. You don't measure time in days. All right, so if somebody says, I'm going to pay you 8% interest, that means you're going to get 8% over the whole year. You don't make 8% per day or 8% per month. You make 8% per year. So what does that mean? That means if you put $100 in the bank and they give you 8%, after a year, they're going to give you back 100. They're going to give you back the 8 plus the what? The 100 that you have in the bank. So they're going to give you 108. That's why it's important to understand the question that they're asking. All right? How much money do you have to pay back? Or how much money do you owe in interest? Those are different things. So you have to be real careful. So again, I equals P, principal. Principal is the amount of money that you borrow or the amount of money that you put into the bank. R is the interest rate, and T is time. Anybody have any questions? All right, does everybody have their calculator out? All right, everybody get their calculator out because we're going to have to come to some agreement on these problems because I don't have a calculator right now. All right, so here we go. Find the simple interest to the nearest cent. So the first thing you do, I equals PRT. Everybody's got to write that down. I equals PRT. And the reason why we write that down is because that's helping you learn the formula. All right? So now, underneath that, you put I equals, how much money do we borrow?
720.
720. What is the interest rate?
8%.
So how do I write that?
So it's 0.08.
0.08. Very good. 0.08. And the amount of time is for 5 years. So now you take out your handy-dandy calculator, just multiply that straight out. Somebody said $288. Now I need everybody to make sure that's correct. Everybody happy with that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I told you it's very easy. All right. So now we're going to go down and do number 3. Again, you write the formula. I equals PRT. I equals, what's our principal?
1,200.
1,200. Now you got to be careful on this one. Would be what decimal?
0.0425.
You're exactly correct. 0.0425. Now we have an issue. 18 months. 1 point what?
1.6.
Well, I don't know about that. What do you think? Of course, 1.5. Well, here's what I want you to do. I'm going to put this in. Why did I do 18 divided by 12? Because there's 12 months in a year. So everybody do now in their calculator 18 divided by 12. That's how we got 1.5. Everybody with me? So when it's in months, you got to convert it to years. And to convert something to years, we have to do what? Divide by 12. All right? Is everybody with me on this? Dividing by 12, right? All right. So now everybody type that in the calculator real quick. And what do we get?
76.5.
So we would say $76 and what? $76.50. All right. All right. So for question number 5, Will, tell me what to do. I equals PRT. Good job. Then what? And then what? Then what? Exactly. All the work I'm asking you, you turn it over. Yeah. You can know how to do all of it if you work this hard every day. Believe it or not. Final answer, Will. Somebody said $3,824. Is everybody good with this? Is it 25?
Yeah, 25.
All right, thank you. Thank you. 25. All right, so now we have a little bit of problem. Jesse?
So you would do I equals PRT.
Good job.
And then you do I equals 680.
Good.
And then you would do parentheses 0.08.
You're awesome.
And then you would divide 48 by 12.
Can you do the mental math on that? What is that?
That would be 4.
Good job, girl.
And then
Times 4. Now listen, you don't have to put 48 divided by 12 unless you think you're going to forget. All right, all months got to be converted to years by dividing by 12. All right, Jess, I'm pretty happy with you, girl. Tell me what that is. Everybody will get a shot.
217.60.
Is that good?
Yep.
Does everybody agree?
So it's always dollars.
Yes, because we're doing money. Madeline, you're up, kiddo. Tell me how to do number 9.
Okay, so I equals PRT.
Good.
And then I equals 6.057.
Good.
And then 9 over 12.
Exactly. Let's just do 9 over 12. All right. So how much interest? And listen, everybody's doing this on the calculator. You're doing it. No, not yet. I'm waiting on her. Is anybody else?
Exactly.
All right. So what? Say it again.
I got 69.86.
Is that right?
Oh, I did 9 years.
$69.86. Is everybody happy with that explanation?
Absolutely.
Caroline? If what? No, but because listen, it's money, so we round to the nearest penny, not to the nearest dime. All right. Vivian, you're up. Number 11. What do I do?
So I equals PRT, and then 30 divided by 13 is 2.5.
Yeah, but how do I set it up though? Tell me what numbers go where.
I equals 950, 10,500 times 0.033
Yeah.
times 2.5.
Times what?
2.5.
Yeah, very good. Because we did 30 divided by 12. Hold up a second. Max, listen, I'm very impressed by your math, but you're not interrupting. Or I mean that. I want everybody else to do as well as you're doing. Okay, so that means let people concentrate, let people work. You should just be getting all the problems done, and now you don't have homework because you know how to do it all. All right, so continue on that. Tell me, Vivian, what's this answer? 783.75. Now everybody just has to confirm.
Yep. That's
Remember, we're not letting someone else do the math. You're typing it in yourself. Okay, now what I want to do now is Colin, on this problem right here, number 13, it's asking not just for the interest, but the what?
The total amount.
The total amount.
So the total amount.
How would I find the total amount?
All right. So first we have to do the interest for this.
Right.
And the total. So the interest is I equals PRT,
Good.
and then I equals 2,200
Good job, buddy.
times 0.05
Good.
times 2.
Exactly. Tell me how much interest that is, please.
That is 220.
Wow. Very good. Very, very good.
And
Okay.
And then we have to add them together.
Yes, that's all you have to do now. To find the total amount that's in your account, let's say if you deposit $2,200 after 2 years, how much is your total, Colin?
200. Yeah. Our total would be 2,420.
I'm very happy with that.
Oh.
Does that make sense? 2,420. Sebastian, are you with me?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Caroline, you help me out with number 15, please. Good job, girl.
I equals 4,000, and that's going to be 0.0425, and then
Good job. So tell me what your interest is.
um, 590.
Okay. So now what was your total?
Um, 1,500.
Does everybody agree with that? Everybody happy? All right, Julian, we'll have you. All right, what am I going to do for
So
17?
it's going to be I equals PRT,
Wow, good.
and then it's going to be I equals 1,000, and then it's going to be 0, or 0.01225.
Now make sure, look up, because you said it kind of fast. Do you agree?
Yeah.
All right, then what?
And then it's going to be multiplied by 4,
Okay,
and then so that would be that would be 49.
would it be 49? Or wouldn't it?
49, yeah, $49.
I don't think I think I got 490.
Oh, I put my bad. I messed up. Yeah.
0.0125.
I messed up.
Yeah,
and
so
accidentally
double
put
checking now.
so
Double check. Go ahead and write out that, please. Shh, 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 shh. Tell it again real quick. And again, you're just verifying everything with your
Yep.
calculator. You're writing everything down. All right, so your interest is $490. Beautiful. So then your total would be what?
Your total would be 1,490.
Yes, very nice. 1,490. Perfect. Yes, they're both dollar signs. All right, both dollar signs. All right, Sebastian, I'm gonna give you a shot. Go.
Okay, so
Write everything else like write everything out like I asked you.
I equals PRT,
Good. I equals PRT.
and so
Uh-huh.
just 750 times 0.12
Good.
times 2,
Beautiful.
and then 780.
Anybody else get 180?
Yep.
All right, so then my total. $130. Perfect. All right. Let's go, Ellis. Tell me what to do. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Good job. And is everybody agreeing with that?
Yep.
So now my total. Sorry, say that one more time. Everybody happy with that? All right, Miss Rodriguez, you're up.
I equals here, and then in parentheses,
Mm-hmm.
so 3,084.
$3,084.90.
Yeah.
What you got? And so my total.
Um, 14,384 and then
Anybody have any issues? Right. So let's do this. You do not have to do the evens.
Yes.
All right. But you do have to do this page. Okay.
the whole page.
Yep. 1 through 23. And I think we have enough time in class, honestly. I want the formula. I want it worked out just like we did. All right. So you don't have to do the evens up here. Now you're doing all of these, this second worksheet, all.
I know, but the top sheet just.
That's it.
Oh, we've already done
Yeah, we already did that. All right, so everybody's just doing the second worksheet.
it.
All right, go down and do the second worksheet. And again, you're allowed to use calculators. All right, type in I equals PRT, just like we did. That's helping you practice knowing the formula. All right, good job today, guys. Very easy.